Standard 12 Chemistry Unit 11 Alcohols, Phenols, Ethers Part 4. Today's topic is classification of alcohol. First of all, let's see about according to number of hydroxyl group. If there is one hydroxyl group is present, it is said to be as monohydric alcohol. For example, methanol, ethanol. If there are two hydroxyl group is present, it is said to be as dihydric alcohol, or it is known as diol or glycols. For example, ethane 1,2-diol or propane 1,2-diol. If there are three hydroxyl group is present, it is said to be as trihydric alcohols or triol. For example, propane 1,2,3-triol or glycerine or polyhydric alcohols. Now, another classification is based on hybridization of carbon atom. To which hydroxyl group is attached, either sp3 hybridized carbon atom and here sp2 hybridized carbon atom hydroxyl group. It is further classified into alkyl alcohol, then after allylic alcohol, and third one Benzalic alcohol, and here sp2 hybridized carbon atom and OH group is vinylic alcohol. Let's see about alkyl alcohol. Carbon atom is bonded with single carbon. It is said to be as primary carbon, and hydroxyl group is attached with primary carbon is said to be as primary alcohol. Carbon atom is bonded with another two carbon. This carbon is secondary carbon, and here hydroxyl group is bonded to secondary carbon. It is said to be as secondary alcohol. sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded to another three carbon and it is said to be as tertiary carbon, and with tertiary carbon hydroxyl group is attached, so it is said to be as tertiary alcohol. For example, here CH3 CH2 OH, here is sp3 hybridized carbon atom 1 and 2, it is ethanol, primary alcohol. Here CH3 and CH3 OH and another hydrogen atom. So this 1, 2 and 3 carbon, propane to all, propanol. This secondary. Now 3 methyl group here in which this tertiary alcohol, and now its name 1, 2 and 3. On second position methyl group, so it is 2 methyl propane to all. Here E will be eliminated. Okay, is tertiary alcohol. So simple. Here is very most important for MCQ in competitive examination also, because sometimes you will be asked which one of the following compounds is either primary, secondary or tertiary alcohol. So this basic is very most important for MCQ or competitive exam. Now let's see about allylic alcohol. Here carbon carbon double bond C and OH group. So here this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon atom and this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So hydroxyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next to carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon double bond. For example, here suppose CH2 double bond CH and CH2 OH. Here carbon carbon double bond and carbon and OH is vinylic position. Here hydroxyl group is bonded to the primary carbon, so it is said to be as primary allylic alcohol. Now its IUPAC name 1, 2, 3 on second third carbon, so it is said to be as propanol. Double bond is present here, prop and 2 in 1 all. Next CH2 double bond CH, here one hydrogen is replaced by methyl group and here OH group is attached. Carbon carbon double bond and carbon, and this carbon is attached with another 2 carbon here OH, and so this said to be as secondary allylic alcohol. Now its name 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons and hydroxyl group butanol, but on third position double bond, so its name is but 3 in 1 all. Sorry, here second carbon, so it is said to be as 2 all. Okay, but 3 in 2 all. Now CH2 double bond CH and C, here OH group and 2 hydrogen is replaced by 2 methyl group here. So here carbon carbon double bond carbon and OH, and this carbon is attached with 3 carbon, so it is tertiary allylic alcohol. Okay, now its name here, this will be longest chain, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. On second position methyl group, so 2 methyl but 3 in 2 all. Allylic alcohol are primary, secondary and tertiary. Now let's see about Benzalic alcohol. Here hydroxyl group is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is directly bonded to aromatic ring here. So OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next to aromatic ring. For example, here suppose this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded with sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring. Now this carbon is bonded with single electron, so it is primary Benzalic alcohol, and its name, it is benzyl alcohol, or its IUPAC name here phenyl methanol, because here CH3OH and one phenyl is attached and hydrogen will be replaced. So this said to be as phenyl methanol. Now here one hydrogen is replaced by methyl group. Now this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded with 1 and 2 carbon. So this secondary benzylic alcohol, and its name here 1 and 2. On first position phenyl group, so one phenyl, one phenyl ethanol, ethanol. Now third, here this hydrogen atom is replaced by second methyl group. Okay, now this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded with 1, 2 and 3 carbon, and here on tertiary carbon hydroxyl group is attached. It is said to be as tertiary benzalic alcohol. Now its name here this will be longest chain 1, 2 and 3. On second carbon phenyl group, the 2 phenyl here, 2 phenyl, and on second position OH group is attached, propane 2 all. Now next classification is on compound containing here hydroxyl group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. It is vinylic alcohol, carbon carbon double bond, and with sp2 hybridized carbon atom hydroxyl group is directly attached. So hydroxyl group is bonded to carbon carbon double bond, that is to vinylic carbon or to aryl carbon. For example, here suppose CH2 double bond CH and OH, here 1 and 2 and OH group. So according to this ethanol, so ethanol, its name is ethanol. And for cyclic, here double carbon carbon double bond, and with this carbon hydroxyl group is bonded. Okay, this vinylic position, this cyclohexene and OH group, so it is said to be as cyclohexene 1 all, cyclohexenol. Okay friends, so this is very most important for MCQ and for 1 mark. Next time we will discuss another topic. Thank you very much.